Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by setting your hand for success. Grip the neck with the thumb behind, not over the top, so your index can press evenly. Place the index finger flat to bar the entire first fret, aim for strings 1 through 6. Then set the middle finger on the 2nd fret of the G string, ring on the 3rd fret of the A string, and pinky on the 3rd fret of the D string. Once done, press firmly and check individual string clarity before strumming. Now you refine finger placement and pressure to get a clear, full F chord. Strum one string at a time from low E to high E and listen for buzzes or dead notes. If a string mutes, slightly roll the index finger so its fleshy edge contacts less, and nudge fingers toward the fret wire. Closer to the fret reduces effort. Make sure to relax your wrist. Excessive tension causes limp tone. Once clear, practice quick release and rebar to build endurance and consistency. To finish, integrate the F chord into motion. Switch from C or G and back, doing 10 controlled reps to build muscle memory. If strings buzz, move your index finger a hair toward the fret wire or increase thumb pressure. If pain appears, ease off and reset. Pain is different from fatigue. Once done, you can use a partial F, first position, as a transitional shortcut for songs until your full bar becomes reliable. Make sure to rehearse slowly, then increase tempo when clarity.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.